So good morning. It's a pleasure to be here today with engineer Mohamed Aly from Saudi Arabia, who has just defended his master thesis inside our specializing master BIM for project and contract management in construction works. His master thesis is titled Integrating Building Information Modeling into inherent defects insurance processes in Saudi Arabia, a strategy for risk reduction and process efficiency in large-scale construction projects. And we are with him today to know something about his experience in this specializing master.
Good morning, Engineer Giovanni. I'm from Egypt, not Saudi Arabia. I'm working in Saudi Arabia, but I'm from Egypt.
Okay, you are
Yes,
originally from Egypt and working in Saudi Arabia.
just
Okay.
working in Saudi Arabia.
Okay.
Good morning, and many thanks for your guidance and help during the master. It was very interesting and stressful period, but it was very beneficial for me in my career and my future, I think.
Thank you very much, Mohamed. You told me that you were working the full time while following this specializing master. How have you found the task of putting together your working duties with the following of the lessons?
Yeah, for me it was a bit stressful period, a year, but it was every time and work I put into it because I learned many things and many software and programs in such not long time, and I believe the master was very beneficial for me for my career and even for my work right now because I shifted from a position to a newer position in the last few months. So I believe it was very beneficial for me.
Very well. That's the goal of any specializing master to provide with professional tools that might help you in your job, in your professional career. So if this has been the case for you, I cannot be but happy about this outcome. Would you then I found your master thesis to be perfectly in line with the topics of your specializing master, and therefore congratulations, because in my opinion you have done a very good job with your master thesis. Would you mind showing us some slides from your presentation, those that you think are the most interesting ones?
Thank you, Engineer Giovanni. This is a case study of my current work. I believe there is a gap between inherent defects insurance and that we only rely on, as you can see here, we only rely on 2D and outdated CAD files. So I believe that using BIM, which was the master that I am involved into, will close this gap and make it easier for the inspection companies to review the structure and review all the mega projects, especially which the case study that I involved in this study. That would be very beneficial for the IDI process or the inherent defects insurance process to make sure of BIM integration into the process. We can see here the rivet. Of course, this is the main structure that I was working into, the architecture model, and here the software that I used, Revit, the structure model here. I used also Tekla structure for structural detailing. I used robot structure analysis for structure verification. And the Primavera B6, as you can see. Yeah. This is the chart.
Yeah.
And Naviswork, a Pixel Manager. I used actually 6 programs from BIM, and this is for augmented reality. This ad from me, but not in the BIM programs, but I believe also would be very beneficial for non-experts to explore the structure.
Sure.
Yes.
And the main conclusions,
The main conclusion, I believe, that it will provide better coordination between the involved parties and accurate cost and the quantities through the construction, the structure integrity and structure verification for all the projects, and of course optimize schedule, which we gain from Primavera schedules, alongside with 4D simulations with the Navisworks and the Pixel Manager 4D simulations and cost estimation.
okay. And what about insurance and BIM?
Yeah. This is, I believe, the recommendations that I believe it should be taken into consideration to enhance the IDI process. We should reward quality and make training for the TIS companies and engineers about the BIM software and standard outputs of the BIM softwares in just a few outputs so the engineers of TIS can expect know what to expect. And of course, to mandate BIM in the insurance companies for the mega projects that exceed exact value. And the conclusion, of course, we can find that it would be very helpful and very beneficial for coordination, as I said, and higher quality and lower risk for all the projects, and closing the gap between the that we are referring in the first, the gap of the construction that we are facing of very low data and very limited data that we got from the clients.
Okay. Thank you very much, Mohamed. Again, congratulations for this outcome from your specializing master. And my wish to you, of course, is that the tools provided by the specializing master and the information you have received will go on being useful for your professional career in the future.
Thank you. Many thanks for you, especially for you, Engineer Giovanni. Thank you for your words, and I hope all the best, inshallah.
Thank you. It's been a pleasure.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.